Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on ZTE Blade V70 Vita. Alright, but before we launch our WhatsApp we need to open up the settings and in here scroll down until you find the Google, and you need to make sure that you're signed in into the exact same Google account on which you made your backup before, because if you'll be signed in into wrong account you won't be able to restore your chat. So simply sign in into the same Google account that you have selected when you are creating your backup before. Now we can launch our WhatsApp. Also you need to have your SIM card inserted, remember about it. Select your language, click on agree and continue. We can allow to send us notifications, and now we need to type our phone number right in here. You can also click on what's my number and you can click on continue, allow, and now it will be automatically copied, as you can see. Now click on next. Okay, select that this is the good number. Okay, it's going to be verified, and now click on continue, click on allow. Okay, it's requesting for a call, it will be automatically answered. Okay, automatically verifying. Okay, and now our phone number has been verified. So everything went fine. Now we have contacts and media. We need to click on continue. Now allow, allow, and allow all. Select restore from backup and click on continue. It is important that you do it right now, because if you click on skip, you won't have possibility to restore your chats later. So we need to do it right now. Okay, our chats are being restored. Everything went fine. Click on next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo if you are interested. Click on next. You can add the recovery email. For now I'm about to skip it, I don't want it. And now as you take a look, everything has been properly restored. We have our videos, photos, and of course normal messages, so everything went okay. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.